In the heart of the Indian Ocean lies a timeless jewel, the Pearl of Asia, Sri Lanka. This island of ancient wisdom and vibrant culture now becomes the stage for global innovation. Join us for the International Workshop on Elevating Infectious Disease Research in Developing Nations with Spectral Flow Cytometry, hosted by SLIBTEC in collaboration with ICGEB. Immerse yourself in scientific excellence while experiencing Sri Lanka's rich heritage, breathtaking landscapes, and world-renowned hospitality. Sri Lanka awaits, where science meets serenity.
Welcome to the Sri Lanka Institute of Biotechnology, SLIBTEC. Through global partnerships like ICGEB, we are building a future where biotechnology transforms lives in Sri Lanka and beyond.
As part of our vision, SLIBTEC is proud to host the international workshop Elevating Infectious Disease Research in Developing Nations with Spectral for Cytometry. Across 5 days, participants will engage in expert-led lectures, hand-on sessions, and real-world case studies, gaining practical skills with immediate relevance. Together, let's push the boundaries of biotechnology for Sri Lanka, for developing nations, and for the world.